What is going on, guys? So, got my dad here with me today. Happy Saturday, by the way. Um, it is going to be time for the debut run of Wildthing. This makes truck number 5 for this guy. So it's pretty freaking sweet. We got quite the collection going on here. Thanks, guys, for all your input and data boy kind of things. I'm glad you're liking my content. Don't mind my kids in the background. I'm daddy daycare today. So that's another reason why grandpa's over here today. But anyway, so we'll get a battery in this guy here and we'll get it on the course and dad will debut it. So be right back, guys. All right, guys, here we go. The debut run of Wildthing.
Not going nowhere.
Oh,
I'm trying. Nope, not done. My bad.
here we go. Wildthing. You know, it would be fitting if I played that song while we were doing this, but then I gotta worry about all the copyright issues, so it's like, stinking sweet. We are not counting penalties. This is just a simple cruise around the course. Pretty sweet. As my kids are raising Cain in the background. Everybody knows how that goes. Oh, watch out for the Kodiak and Bigfoot. Oh man, Bigfoot, by the way. Oh yeah, I got some new trees on the course too, guys. The thing's doing pretty well. Stinking sweet. One of the more difficult sections of the course. So Jim commented that this house looks like the house off of Psycho. And I have to admit, it does look pretty close to it. There are some slight differences, but it's pretty sticking close to the house off of Psycho. I'm gonna have to get a little sign that says Bates Motel in front of it. Ooh, high centered. Oh! Can it fix itself? See if you can get out of it. Nope. Ooh. Man down, man down. Now let's hope my little stool doesn't come out from underneath of me. There we go. Oh, you might be able to fix it. Turn to the right. There you go. That thing is so cool. Somebody's not happy over there in the kid area. I think he's battling with her two older sisters over there. So cool. Frankenstein and Gravedigger. Wow, that truck is really small on that teeter-totter. That's so cool. Oh, somebody's not happy. Bear with me, guys. I gotta go check on the dilemma. Be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. My little boy got stuck. Had to go bail him out. So cool. So stinking sweet. So there is going to be some modifications made to this guy already. I'm going to change up the front bumper where the lights are a little bit, and I'm going to put some tail lights on it. It's going to look pretty sweet. Stay tuned for that. And then this guy here has a very big improvement coming up. I intend to do something with that here shortly. So stay tuned for those videos, guys. All right. I think this is actually upside down for some reason. Yep, I've totally been filming that upside down. Sorry, guys. I was filming upside down. I can only imagine how that's gonna look.
There's a big pothole there.
Big pothole.
Alright, there we go. Yep.
Oh, I see. Ooh, there you go. Oh, yeah, your tire slid off. There you go. It's like very deceiving driving up through there.
Oh!
Your depth perception gets all messed up. Like you think you're going in the right direction and all of a sudden you fall off the edge and you get stuck. So stinking sweet. Get him propped up here on the rock. Oh, I'm surprised he didn't roll over forward. So cool. Oh, probably one of the more difficult obstacles we have on this course. Just because of the way the ground acts when you start climbing up it. See, right there. That's the hang up right there. Such a pain. So it's not just the driver, guys. This obstacle is really difficult. Between the slippery paint that's on it and the ground eroding away out from underneath you, it is pretty difficult to get up on it. But that's what makes it challenging. Oh.
Oops, sorry.
Oh. He just totally bumped into Snakebite.
I got AAA.
Make sure you get that accident report.
God. It's a hit and run.
So stinking sweet.
All right, back up.
So cool. I don't know. I think it's gonna have to be dealt with another day. Oh! See, that right there is a prime example as to throttle out does not always work. So sweet. Making his way up by the trading post. Making his way over to the finish line. Ding, ding, ding. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Wildthing, I tell you.
Yeah, he's wild, all right. Oh, see, now he's knocking down the game.
Took out a wolf.
Taking out the wildlife. Knocking down trees. Man, this guy is just too wild. So cool. All right, guys. Wildthing. Freaking cool. Making his way to the finish. Dun, 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 dun. Wildthing.
I think I love you.
So there you go. Here's Wildthing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for tuning in. As always, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified. There's the pilot.
Peace out.
See you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.